No, come here. We need to work together. You go first. Go. You go.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Lamican. I got my body buddy right here. Say, turn in.
Bonjour, FABIO say you know who I am. You know, I'm no stranger.
My body buddy, Bonjour. Today, we're gonna show you how to make your bed for
AIT standards.
Alright, every year had to get their own standards, but this is pretty much everybody's standards. To my own knowledge, though. So today, let's get
Alright, let's go.
You got to make your bed for basic training. This is the basic training standards. Alright? This is how to make your bed at basic training. If you don't watch the previous video, you get a chance to see it one more time. You got a 45-degree angle. You're tucking everything. Make sure it's tight and neat. You also have your 45-degree angle on the other side. Make sure everything is tight and neat. 45-degree angle on the other side, also on that side. You also need to roll it tight. Alright? Roll it tight. As long as you roll it tight. Hey, I prefer to roll it twice, but most people can roll it once. Right? Roll it tight and you'll be fine. Alright. Now let's go to AIT standards. Alright, I'm gonna show you everything. Before I do that, take everything off. Alright. So for AIT standards, it's a little bit different from basic training standards, alright? So I don't know, but this is just how it is. AIT standards, you need 2 bed sheets and 2 blankets, alright? That's what you need. So let's get to it. Alright, similar to basic training, you use your bed sheet to cover. Cover one side. Then you start working on your angles. Alright? First, let me start with these angles. Same thing as basic training. You need to have 45 degrees angle. So you use the method I said, the knife. It's called the knife man. Man, tucking in. Tucking in. Same thing on this side. Alright? You need the 45 degrees angle. This is gonna give you a lot of problems. Alright? This is gonna give you so much. Alright. So I got my 45 degrees angle. Then all I need to do is tuck it in. Now I work my way back to make sure that I don't have any edges coming out or any side coming up. Alright. You make it tight as much as possible you can. You do the same thing on the other side, you do the same thing on the other side. Most people actually don't bother about the other side because as long as Just so they can't see the other side, they don't worry about it. What to worry about is the one that can see. You. So, what we focusing on is to make sure your bag is not showing your pillow. That's the whole point of using these. Your bag is not showing your pillow. And you got your 45 degrees angle on both sides. Alright, this is how you make your bed for business AIT standards. So, well, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time for the next video that we got for you. Alright? AIT, Papa Company. Peace. Ooh.